Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and dropped frames on Streamlabs. So, let's get started. First, you need to ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and click on the settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Advanced tab. In this section, locate the Process Priority setting, which is set to Normal by default. If you're still encountering issues with the normal setting, try changing it to Above Normal. If this doesn't resolve the problem, you might want to try setting it to High. One of these options should work for you. Next, go to the Video section. In this tab, make sure your base canvas resolution is set to 19201080p. Here's an important tip. Your base canvas resolution should match your output scaled resolution. So, if your base canvas is 19201080p, ensure that your output scaled resolution is also set to 19201080p. Moving on, under the Downscale filter, choose Lanczos. For the FPS type, select Common FPS Values. In the Common FPS values, you can try 30 FPS, which might work, but the standard is usually 60 FPS, so set it to that. After that, head over to the Output tab. In this section, make sure your encoder is either set to Software 264 if you're not using a GPU, or select your NVIDIA graphics card if you have one. Next, make sure your rate control is set to CBR, which is the default, and for the bit rate, set it to around 6000 to give you some leeway. If possible, set your preset to either slow or good quality for better performance. For the tuning, select High Quality and set the profile to High. That's how you can fix lag and dropped frames on Streamlabs.